What's going on, everyone? My name is Patrick.
And I'm Basha.
And welcome to Freshman Finance, the YouTube channel dedicated to helping you harness the power of money so you can build your best life. Just a few years ago, my financial IQ was zero. I had student debt, no savings to speak of, and really no end in sight. It felt hopeless, I felt overwhelmed, and also stressed. Until I met and moved in with a rather cute banker who changed everything.
Most people are not taught personal finances growing up, nor is it a focus point in traditional schooling system. Yet managing your finances is one of the crucial skills you will need to learn. And it's also a skill that you're going to use all the time. But don't worry, that's why we're here to help.
If you're looking to take control of your personal finances, you've come to the right place.
We have broken our content down into 4 main financial pillars: debt, savings, investing, and pensions. So no matter where you are in your financial journey, we've got you covered.
Our aim is to pass on everything that we've learned in the last few years so you can avoid making all the silly mistakes that we did. If you can master these 4 areas of personal finance, I promise you it'll radically change your life.
So if you are ready to take control of your money and have it work for you, join us for weekly videos on how to build a wealthy future on your own terms. Let's go.